An incandescent light bulb works by heating a filament to produce light. An incandescent bulb is made up of several key parts. Filament, this is the thin wire inside the bulb, usually made of tungsten. When electrical current passes through it, the filament heats up and produces light. Glass envelope, the outer glass casing of the bulb. It protects the filament and helps to contain the inert gas inside. Inert gas, space inside the bulb is filled with an inert gas, such as argon or nitrogen. Base, the part of the bulb that connects to the light socket. It provides the electrical contact needed for the bulb to function. Support wires, these are thin wires or supports that hold the filament in place inside the bulb. Bulb shell, or housing, the outer casing that holds the filament and gas. These components work together to ensure that the bulb produces light effectively and safely. Here's a step-by-step breakdown of the process. When you switch on the light, electric current flows through the bulb's filament. The filament, typically made of tungsten due to its high melting point, is designed to resist the flow of electricity. This resistance causes the filament to heat up as current passes through it. As the filament gets hotter, it starts to glow. The temperature of the filament is so high that it emits visible light. The filament usually reaches temperatures of around 2700 Kelvin, producing a warm, yellowish light. Inside the bulb, the filament is enclosed in a glass or quartz envelope filled with an inert gas, such as argon or nitrogen. This gas prevents the filament from oxidizing and burning out quickly. It's designed to keep the filament from coming into direct contact with air, which would cause it to burn out faster. The process relies on converting electrical energy into heat energy and then into light.